Jabal. Nakasuntingan sa Mandala City, Cebu, Philippines. Ako ay isinilang noong November 37, 2014. Ako ay 6 na taong gulang. Ako ay kasalukuyan nag-aaral sa University sa Coletos at nasa unang balitang pa lamang. I am a part of an average-sized family headed by my father, Joseph Rex O. Jabal, and my mother, Raquel Monares Jabal, my older brother, Joseph Ramon Monares Jabal, and Josephine Therese, my younger sister. With us also are my Wawa Juji, Ati Kati, which complete this amazing family of mine. This is our living room. We have here our sofa set, center table, which are both brown in color. The sofa set is elongated and a bit massive, while the center table is just small and has a shape like an oval. If you touch the surface of our sofa set, it's quite rough. When you touch the surface of our center table, it's just smooth. The smell of these two is just refreshing while we clean these up every day. This is our dining area. We have here the ground table, chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are also 10 pieces of big and small plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With 15 spoons, forks, and knives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Also 6 glasses being ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6! This is 6. We have here 2 big beds, pillows, and blankets. If you look at the edges of the bed, the pillows and the blankets, you can see different kinds of lines, such as vertical and horizontal line. There is also a curved line on top of the bed. Noong panahon ng pandemya, ay dito na kami namanalagi sa loob ng tahanan. Sama-sama kami kumain at nanonood ng palabas sa TV. Dito na rin kami umattend ng klase, pati na ang paglalaro kasama ng aking mga kapatid. Masaya kaming lahat na natili lang kami sa loob ng aming tahanan dahil kompleto at buo ng aming pamilya. Maraming